So what's up mga kabebes? What's up? Nandito naman po tayo sa panibagong kalokohan, panibagong kaya sana magaganap naman dito sa aking vlog, YouTube channel. At kung bago ka lang dito sa aking channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and click the notification bell for more videos. At ang gagawin natin ngayon guys ay mag-ano kita. Sige. So ang gagawin natin ngayon guys ay magkakaroon tayo ng who's more likely to challenge. So ang kasama ko po ngayon ay si Ara. So meron po kaming questions of course, or who's more likely to na mga statement. At saka kung sino ang, na yung mga protocols, mga mechanics ng, alam na natin ang mechanics ng who's more likely to. So, bago tayo mag-umpisa, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe kay Ara.
Ara Jane Macy.
Okay, sige.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked
Langgana na
up.
may tubig. Yo, start na.
Okay. Who's more binge eater?
Binge eater. Lamot at foodie ba?
Dirak lang. Next. Who's more picky eater?
Mandadori. Pigil na.
Who's more sensitive? Emotional or other things?
I'm honest. Aring mo tanggal ng mga kuwan.
Fashionable.
Fashionable din naman ako pero What the fuck? Pero mas fashionable po siya. Masirap man.
Who's more boyish?
Ambot. Kaya nabulig ka. Bakit kasama yung natin, reader?
Who's more meticulous about the
Parang,
body? Conscious. Sa
Meticulous at
maarte.
Aray!
Parang ba ito?
Aray!
Who's more likely to fart?
Aray!
Nahihiya pa. Who's more music lover? Next. Who's more likely to wear large?
Dalawa
Who's more likely to drink? What? Alcohol?
Dati kasi,
Dati.
dati,
I'm a
Mahilig
drinker.
ako.
Wow. Huy, parang ikaw.
I am drunkard.
Run like that.
Umiiyak ka pa nga. Ako pa? Who's more business-minded?
Me!
So guys, bulig na kamutak. GC.
Business-minded.
Who's more gadget dependent?
Ako stop. Bakit parang walang nagagano?
Who's more friendly?
Ako, ha?
I walk around like that. I walk around like that.
Kailangan die honest.
Sinong
Ay,
walang
basta
jowa? Char. Okay. Who's more likely to spend a lot of money or magastos?
Pag kaya na, di naman ako mag-assist ikaw. Oo, online.
Mga laway naman.
Hukay, pero di ako.
Who's more kuripot? Ikaw.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ano pa?
Yung pa na yan. That's all for today's video, mga kabebes. I hope you like this video and I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos. Again, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget also to subscribe